Hands up if you're down to get down tonight. Where all my keys, I left my phone. What? Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you.
It's been 2 years since you last saw us on stage for the Asian Heritage Assembly. And although we can't celebrate Asian heritage through an in-person assembly, we still wanted to bring the celebrations to you by showcasing our very own MCI staff and students. We hope you enjoy.
We are here today to say hello and to celebrate Asian Heritage Month with you. And I have a few of my good friends here with me. So I'm going to pass it over now to Miss Mavro. Miss Mavro, how are you?
Hello, thank you, Mr. Palermo. Hello, everyone at MCI. Just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing us to participate in the celebration of Asian Heritage Month. It allows us to give us the time to reflect on the beautiful culture. It makes me dream of the places that I would like to go visit, as there are many in Asia I would love to go visit one day. In particular, I think my two favorites would be Singapore and Thailand for the beautiful landscaping and the beaches and everything else that they have there. So I'm going to now pass it over to Mr. Raggett and wishing you all well.
Hello, Martingrove Collegiate. I would like to celebrate with you Asian Heritage Month. What a wonderful time to celebrate the many wonders that the Asian culture have brought us throughout the world, and the opportunities that we have to enjoy the wonders of the Asian culture here in Ontario, Toronto, or at Martingrove Collegiate specifically. As you have your month to celebrate, take care, have fun, be safe, and I would like to pass on to Ms. Gail Bonner now.
Morning, MCI. I just want to thank you for the opportunity to celebrate again this year Asian Heritage Month with you. It's not ideal how we're celebrating it, because normally, I'm used to the kids in the halls, in their vibrant colors, in their outfits and so on, really celebrating the month and their culture from different countries. So that I miss. The country I would like to visit is the Philippines, and the reason why the Philippines is very, in terms of the environment and the fruits and all the food, very similar to the Caribbean. That's number one. And I heard that it has great beaches. So I would really like to go there to see what it's like in the Philippines. And so with that, I'm going to pass it on to Randy.
Thanks, Ms. Gail Bonner. Just want to echo what has been said. I want to hope that you're having a wonderful Asian Heritage Month in May. I want to wish you well and hope you are. It is a pleasure to celebrate with you. And I'm very thankful for all that Asian culture has brought us in Canada and throughout the world, as was said. I hope you're having a strong finish to your academic year as well. And I want to wish all of you the very best as you finish celebrating this month and the completion of your academic year. Take care, be well, and all the best to you and all your family.
We would like to celebrate MCI staff for their contributions to our education and well-being during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you to the admin team for your inspiring message. Whether it be learning how to teach us virtually, providing us with opportunities to grow and smoothly transition into post-secondary education, or running day-to-day affairs in school, your contributions to our success are priceless. Continuing along with our Asian Heritage festivities, we wanted to ask MCI staff and students what they thought being Asian meant to them. Let's hear what they think.
When I think about what being Asian means to me, it means being proud of who you are and where you come from. It means standing up for and trying to preserve all of your unique cultures, traditions, and values. And it's working hard to create positive change for yourself and for the community around you.
Being an Asian is more than just having the physical appearance of one or having strict parents or just following the stereotypes of an Asian. It's more than that. Personally, I think that being an Asian means to embrace who we are, including our culture and our background, and showing the world that we're proud of our heritage and we wouldn't change who we are for anything.
I think there's no exact answer to what being Asian means, and the answer is also created based on our own experiences. For me, I am blessed to grow up in a supportive and understanding community, and I am also blessed to grow up being fed rice every day, which eventually forms my endless love for rice.
For me, being Asian means a heightened sense of connections between friends and families through traditional and cultural measures.
Only towards my dreams, but also the dreams of my parents. It can also mean having superstitions and many more relatives. Nonetheless, I am very proud to be Asian.
To me, being Asian is a conscious and active effort to keep my culture and heritage alive by upholding the core tenets of my Sikh faith and upholding the virtues and traditions that have been passed down in my family for generations. It also means amplifying Asian voices around me, whether it be those who are changing the world around us, or my friends, or my family. It also means raising awareness of current issues in the Asian community, and also recognizing our rich history.
Hate crimes against Asian elders and stuff like that. I see people's reactions on social media, and it's they're really supportive of our community, and yeah, I feel like there are good people in our society, despite there are many things that we should really work on and
acknowledge. Being Indian, to me, means having access to this whole other school of thought, this philosophy of life that I carry with me no matter where I go. In particular, the law of karma in Sanskrit, that actions have consequences, is something that I lean on to in my daily life. It applies not just to the gross physical actions, but sunya, manya, mankita pao, that which I hear, that which I believe, and the feelings that I generate in my heart all have karmic consequences, good or bad. So I think that really helps keep me grounded through the opposites of gain and loss, praise and blame, which we all have to face.
Despite the challenges COVID-19 has presented us, you have tried to provide us with the best school year possible. For that, we heartily thank you. Since it is Asian Heritage Month, we here at SAC and the AHA Planning Committee would like to thank you through the Buddhist Metta Loving Kindness Prayer.
मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आपका मन दया से भरा रहे।
内外の危険から解放されますように。
Thank you to the wonderful caretakers at MCI. You are all hardworking members of the MCI community that keep our schools safe and sanitary, especially during this pandemic. We appreciate you and all your hard work.
मैं आशा करदी हां कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਨ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਮਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੋ।
उपप्रेमिणीये करुणावेन प्रिये।
आप अंदरूनी और बैरूनी खतरात से पाक रहिए। मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप शरीर और मन में स्वस्थ रहो.
마음속의 평화를 찾고 행복을 위해 달려갑시다.
Chúc mọi người luôn khỏe mạnh và vui vẻ.
आप अपने अंदर और बाहर के खतरों से मुक्त हो जाएं.
Next, it's time for Brandon and Peter Tan to show their Asian heritage through a performance of a traditional Vietnamese song played with the hand flute and on the piano. Now it's time for a very special performance from Mr. Nanda.
जलते हैं जिसके लिए तेरी आँखों के दिए ढूंढ लाया हूँ वही गीत मैं तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए दिल में रख लेना इसे हाथों से ये छूटे न कहीं गीत नाजुक है मेरा शीशे से भी टूटे न कहीं दिल में रख लेना इसे हाथों से ये छूटे न कहीं गीत नाजुक है मेरा शीशे से भी टूटे न कहीं गुनगुनाऊंगा यही गीत मैं तेरे लिए जलते हैं जिसके लिए जब तलक ना ये तेरे रस के भरे होठों से मिले यूं ही आवारा फिरेगा ये तेरी जुल्फों के तले जब तलक ना ये तेरे रस के भरे होठों से मिले यूं ही आवारा फिरेगा ये तेरी जुल्फों के तले
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Nanda, for the amazing performance. You truly are a gifted singer.
Now for the segment you've all been waiting for, the fashion show featuring MCI students.
poor wayfaring stranger traveling through this world of woe. There is no sickness, no toil, nor danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to see my mother. She said she'd meet me when I come. I'm just a-going over Jordan. I'm just a-going over home. I know dark clouds will gather round me. I know my way is rough and steep, but beauteous fields lie just before me, where God's redeemed their vigils keep. I'm going there to see my father. I'm going there, no more to roam. I'm just a-going over Jordan. I'm just a-going over home.
I'll soon be free from earthly trial. This body red in the old churchyard. I'll drop this cross of self-denial and go singing home.